Got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news, everybody's all right. And I'm the bad news. So yesterday was officially the last day for the Slaptima. Didn't do so hot. It's mostly just the damage to the front and the engine and stuff, but unfortunately because got just a little bit of structural damage and both the airbags went off, I'm pretty sure they're gonna go ahead and call it a total loss, which is really unfortunate. Luckily everyone's okay. Me and the other driver are both like completely fine, and unfortunately the only person that was injured, not seriously injured, but my girlfriend Alyssa, she took a couple to the legs. Could have been much worse. Stuff is replaceable, people on. But damn it, what a shitty day. Hopefully it kind of goes without saying that the next project is on the way. I'll show you the bad news first.